This is a cricket.
It's so disgusting. I'm gonna eat it, and I'm afraid
It's Jiminy the cricket
I'm
from Pinocchio.
afraid of creatures, and she's making me eat crickets.
Here, this is yours.
Put it right there. I'm gonna touch it. Ooh.
Okay, I want the baby too.
You I'm touching it, Maddie. I'm touching it.
And this is mine.
Ah! I don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat
mine.
it.
See? Okay, you gotta get a picture.
Hey,
of it.
mine is fucking huge.
It's the same. My legs are just missing.
Break my leg off. Here, break my legs off. I don't eat the legs if you're not eating the legs.
Are my legs on?
You broke my head.
I did not.
Take the legs off.
Look at you spitting on my computer. I'm doing surgery. Oh, look at that. That came off.
Broke the motherfucking leg.
What's yours?
Alright.
That's mine.
That's the one I wanted. You cheated me.
Okay, wait.
I don't want to do it.
I want to take a picture.
I don't want to do it.
I'm gonna take a picture of you. You ready?
No, don't take a picture.
Yes. There's gonna be a picture.
Alright.
Hold on. Oh my God! You didn't even put it in your mouth yet.
I ate his leg.
You're such a damn liar.
No,
Took his legs off.
I ate his leg. I broke his tail off or
Okay.
whatever.
Ready? Put it in your mouth.
No, you put it in your mouth.
Okay, here. Give me the Coke.
No.
Give me the Coke.
We're gonna do it at the same time.
Okay, but I want us to get a picture of it.
We're not.
Well, you know
We're
what?
video recording, sticking it in our mouth. Wait. Don't do it.
Come on, go ahead.
No, don't do it. Don't eat
See?
it.
Cricket. You ready? You're such a baby.
Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna stick it around. I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my God, look.
I'm eating that. I don't like these things. But she wants me to eat it, so. You cheated. You're lying.
Okay.
Are you not? I would cheat.
No,
I would cheat on
I'm
top
for
of
real.
you.
I just need to get a picture of it. Okay, give me a picture.
You gonna eat
I
too,
actually want to see a picture.
Touch my cheek.
Come on. Okay.
Alright, here. I'm gonna put it on my tongue and then you take a picture. I'm gonna put it on my tongue and you take a picture.
Okay, go. Come on, let's see.
Alright. I don't want to do it. I seen his eyes.
Just do it.
I'm gonna hold it between my teeth. And you better not go ahead.
Do
I
it.
lost it.
Just don't lose it. Just stick it in your mouth already, damn it. Stop being a puss. Do
I'm
it.
crying. Tell mommy on you.
Come on.
Alright, you put it on your tongue too. Make me
Well,
feel a little bit better.
I want to get a picture of you doing it, me doing it to myself. Go.
I can't.
Just do it. Do
I
it.
can't do it. It's so
Do
good.
it.
I think it's moving.
it. Do it. Now. Hurry up. I can't see.
It got stuck. It got stuck in my mouth.
Oh my God, I didn't get it. You
I'm not
ass
doing it
move.
again. You put it on your tongue.
Why? If you're supposed to eat it.
Something broke off of him.
You're supposed to eat it. Here, get a picture of me. I'm
His
gonna eat it.
wing. Put it on your tongue and then we'll eat it at the same time. I'll take it.
Give me this Coke.
No, don't eat it. Just put it on your tongue right now.
What if it comes to life on my tongue?
Ooh, that'd be crazy.
That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Okay, ready?
Don't put it on Facebook. Put it on Instagram. Okay? Wait. This Alright.
Okay, and you said just stick it on my tongue right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's freaking me out now. I don't put it on your tongue. Alright. Give me a Coke. You're not gonna eat it, are you? Ready? Alright.
Okay.
It's been lasting for 5 minutes now.
Okay,
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8.
Okay, 1, 2.
You're gonna spit it out, aren't you?
1, 2.
Let me see. 1, 2. Hey, it's good.
It does taste like peanuts.
It's real.
I tasted something. I think I tasted juice. What the hell?
What kind of juice you talking about? That was vinegar.
Oh, well then it was that. Give me something to clean my computer. You spit all over the damn thing.
Why are you gonna say juice when I'm
It
chewing
did.
on a